Today, I want to walk you through installing the Liquorix kernel on Linux Mint 22, the clean and intended way without overcomplicating things or doing unnecessary steps. Liquorix is a performance-tuned Linux kernel. It's built for desktop responsiveness, lower latency, and smoother behavior under load. If you're multitasking heavily, editing media, or just want a snappier system feel, this kernel is designed for exactly that. The nice part is that Liquorix doesn't require you to manually add repositories, edit system files, or hunt down kernel packages. The project provides a single installer script that handles everything automatically. Start by opening a terminal on your Linux Mint system. That's the only place you'll need to be. Once you run the Liquorix installer script, it takes care of the full setup on its own. It adds the correct repository for your Mint base, refreshes package information, installs the Liquorix kernel along with the matching headers, and registers everything properly with the bootloader. You don't need to run separate update commands, and you don't need to install the kernel manually afterward. When the script finishes, the kernel is already installed and ready. At that point, all that's left to do is reboot the system. After rebooting, Linux Mint will usually boot straight into the Liquorix kernel. If for any reason it doesn't, your system still keeps the original Mint kernel as a fallback. You can always access advanced boot options and select it manually. Nothing is overwritten or removed. Once you're logged back in, you can confirm that Liquorix is running by checking the current kernel version. If you see Liquorix in the output, then everything worked as expected. There is one important limitation to be aware of. Liquorix kernels are not signed for secure boot. If secure boot is enabled on your system, the kernel may not load. In that case, you either disable secure boot in firmware settings or continue using the default Mint kernel. This is normal behavior and not a bug. If you ever decide Liquorix isn't for you, removal is simple. You uninstall the Liquorix packages and reboot. Linux Mint will automatically fall back to its standard kernel, no repair steps required. That's it. No manual kernel management, no risky system changes, and no permanent commitment. You can test Liquorix, keep it if it feels better, or roll back just as easily. That flexibility is exactly why this approach works so well on Mint.